Dental 3D Illustrations is an Android application that provides detailed three-dimensional visual representations of dental anatomy, procedures, and conditions. This app is designed for a variety of users, including dental professionals, students, and patients, offering educational resources that enhance understanding of dental topics. The application typically features a comprehensive library of 3D models showcasing various dental structures, such as teeth, gums, and oral cavity layouts. These illustrations help users visualize complex concepts, making it easier to grasp important information about dental health and treatments. Additionally, Dental 3D illustrations may include interactive elements, allowing users to manipulate the models for a closer view and better comprehension. This engagement fosters a more effective learning experience, beneficial for both dental education and patient consultation. Overall, this app serves as a valuable resource for enhancing knowledge and awareness in the field of dentistry.